Anak ni Ginoong Adrina Michael G. Domingo with the highest honors, Budding Mathematician Award, Eager Beaver Award, Star Winner Award, and Class Champ Award. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Michael Emmanuel R. Domingo in grateful recognition of his or her sincere and commendable service as an SDLG officer in the CELG, which led to the successful implementation of the CELG mandated programs, projects, and activities for the school year 2024-2025 ended this 11th day of April 2025 at Dr. Day of Sapa Elementary School. Congratulations! Princess Danica DJ Almansan, anak ni Ginoong Adrina Dani V. Almansan,
Kamaki!
with high honors and star reader